Hi gamers! Today I will be teaching you how to get more coins on Customcast for free. First you need to select free CC. There are tons of options you can choose from. The option we will be using is Tapjoy surveys. It varies from 100 coins to 1000 coins. When you get into it, it will give you a quick survey. When it comes to do surveys, I suggest that you do not use your actual information. The questions are very personal, that's why I'm blurring my screen. Once you finish the survey, you'll be given 1 coin. Good for you. Now you can go on to do other surveys for more points. Most surveys will not work, so it might take a while before you get one that does work. The top surveys are usually the ones that work the best. To redeem your points after doing surveys, go to box and open your points to receive them. And that's it. You can do the surveys as many times as you like. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Subscribe for more content. Bye.